All right. Finally received this. Actually, almost 2 weeks after I'd ordered it. Basically, what I got was this is a Black Friday special. This is the Milwaukee M12 fuel. It's the installation drill driver kit. As you can see, this is what it is. It comes with the heads with the 90-degree angle. They did include a 6.0 battery with it. So I thought it was pretty worthwhile to purchase. I was looking into getting an angle drill for possibly drilling some stuff out on some cards if needed be. And, you know, this just seemed like it offered a couple other things. So I thought it might be worthwhile to get. Since it was now... Oh, there we go. Okay, well, we followed that long enough. Now, here we go. Alright. Now, the way this looks, I'm just going to lay it over. I'm going to kind of grab this here a little bit. See if I can pull it out of the box. Alright, there we go. Now that's unboxed. I mean, it shows you just a bunch of stuff on the box, but we really don't need to worry too much about that. All right, now let's see what's inside the bag that they give you. So this is actually pretty nice. All right. Initially, it's actually packed quite well. This does come with two 2.0 batteries right here. Come with this kit. All right. And you get, here's the tool itself. Oh, there's the Velcro. Stuff is really in here. Alright, but anyway, here's what our adapter heads look like. We'll pull these open and actually check them out. There's the 4 of those. Let's see what's that. Alright, that's what they give you. There's the charger. You have an operator's manual up here. And a thing for the charger. Alright. Nice. Now here's the tool. Check it out a little bit. Actually, you know, it feels pretty good. 1 and 2 speeds. Guess it's forward, reverse, and a lock right there. Maybe they designed this for something. You would think. It's got a nice LED light, a big clip for on your belt, I guess. It does seem to have a good bit of weight to it. Now, drill. It's got the clutch on the front here. So... let's pop these bags open here. Now, here is the angle attachment. Let's see how this kind of goes on here. It's curious to see how this actually works. Okay. Quick release. Like that. And then, you can lock it in. And almost, I think, multiple directions maybe? Yep. Locks it in multiple directions. Alright. This one here. That's your standard like nut driver, I guess. It's got the quick release on the end. The drill chuck. You can catch drill bits in there. There's for the offset. That's actually pretty cool. Man, you could do all kinds of craziness with this. Can't get back in there. So you have it set up like that. Trying to fit inside of something. Gives you the angle, gives you an offset. You can put nut driver in there. All these things can be attached to the unit itself. All right, well, I'm gonna go grab a battery that's charged so that we can see what this thing looks like when it turns on. Check out the little fancy lights, a little LED, kind of give it a feel of power in the hand. All right, I went and grabbed a charged 2.0 battery. It's a little insert. Try this thing out. Okay, we are actually, it's locked and we want to go forward, so direction thing's a little weird because you're used to them being down here for the drill. Pretty snappy, pretty bright light. It's got the little battery bar on the side. I mean, you can tell it's a little top heavy, but I mean, if you can almost balance it in the middle. This probably depends on the attachment. Oh, it's a little better. That makes it butt heavy. It's back heavy now. But my goodness, very cool. So, but there we go. That's just unboxing that, and we'll try to get some video trying this thing out here in a little bit, and then we'll get everything edited in, and let me know what you guys think. See if it was a worthwhile purchase for on Black Friday this year. I mean, that's got to be something cool, you know. I gotta just do this and say this doesn't fit into there, so you put that into there. Interesting. All right. Thanks.